And when you have a positive attitude, you know what that helps you with? That helps you with a very, very important thing in your life. The fuel you're going to need to make things happen. And that's passion. See, when you have a positive attitude about something and in your life, it's going to help you to be passionate. I've never seen somebody who was depressed and focused on their problems and getting their life get the best of them be passionate. You can't make things happen and move people without passion for something. Some of you are trying to build a skyscraper with no passion. It's not possible. Without passion, you're not going to get up early in the morning. You're not going to stay up late at night, which is what it's going to take to build a skyscraper. You're not just trying to build one little level building, one level. A skyscraper. Something that people stare at. Something that people look up to. Nobody walks by a one-story building and even pays it attention. It's just an average building. You got to have passion to make that happen. In order to have that, you need to have commitment. A lot of people don't know what commitment means. As a matter of fact, most people do the opposite of commitment. Most people make commitments and break them. Most people don't follow through with the things that they say they're going to do. Most people do not take the seriousness of what they're doing. They don't make the kind of commitment that's necessary. People say they want success. People say they want a skyscraper. People say they want one day to be on top, but yet they don't make the commitment necessary to get those kinds of results. There's a tremendous commitment if you want to be successful. Once you have the commitment, it'll make this a lot easier. But this is something that lacks in most people's lives. Work ethic. Most people think when they get up in the morning, they go to work at 9 o'clock and they get off at 5, that they have a strong work ethic. Let me tell you something. When you put 40 hours in, that's just to be average. When you put 40 hours into something, that's just to be average. Anybody could do that, and most people, that's what they do. It's anything above that is when you're just getting started to have your success. That's when you're just getting started. See, most people, they're always looking for the easy way. Like they'll look for the smallest brick. This is my rendition of somebody working the business, thinking they have work ethic. I need a drink.